I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the 50s, tomorrow our mildest day of the next week with highs in the upper 50s to the mid 60s. Westerly wind gusts of 30 to 45 and low humidity may result in elevated fire weather conditions for tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts of 55 to 70 expected in the Panhandle after midnight tonight on into tomorrow. A cold front drops in from the northeast and lowers our highs Wednesday and Thursday into the mid 40s to the mid 50s. Occasional disturbances sliding east may trigger a little light snow and rain in Nebraska Wednesday into Friday. Any snow accumulations are likely to be an inch or less. High pressure building in from the north drops our highs to mostly the mid-20s to the low 30s Friday, while southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas can expect highs in the mid-30s to the low 40s. For Saturday, highs are in the 20s for central and eastern Nebraska, while all other areas are in the 30s to the low 40s. Our highs on Sunday, mainly in the 30s, but west central Nebraska to northwest Kansas can expect the low to mid-40s. There is a cooler change in our long-term forecast. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures now expected to be seasonal to slightly cooler than normal this weekend through early next week, before an outlook of seasonal to slightly warmer than normal temperatures the middle of next week through the first day of winter on December 21st. This weekend through December 21st looks to be mostly dry with below normal precipitation predicted for both Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors impacting the markets include continuing shots of cold air and snow in parts of the U.S. and heavy rain in Brazil. Pacific storm energy spreads east of the Rockies, leading to possibly disruptive snow accumulations, especially tomorrow and Wednesday from the northern plains into the Midwest. A significant wind and cold event accompanies and trails the snow, leading to travel disruptions due to blowing snow, as well as additional livestock stress. The late week cold results in widespread morning lows ranging from 0 to 20 below across the northern plains in upper Midwest. Mostly dry weather prevails for the rest of the week from California into the southeast U.S. Saturday, more cold air spreads east of the Rockies, but warmer air quickly spreads into the plains for early next week. Milder air tries to spread eastward in the U.S. next week, but is countered by waves of snow and more pushes of cold air. On the Mississippi River, the Delta forecast is dry, resulting in slow drops in water levels. There are better chances of precipitation next week, but the slow fall in water levels remains a concern for transportation on the Mississippi. Central and northern Brazil over the last week saw heavy rain that was very needed for developing to reproductive soybeans. Southern Brazil, that has been seeing less rain, expects a better chance of widespread rainfall today through tomorrow, keeping conditions either favorable or improving. Northern Argentina expects heavy rain today. Spotty rainfall continues this week in the rest of Argentina, with some areas getting too dry for developing corn and soybeans. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.